have a little history, and I think that it has helped me with the programs with Songbird Sings. Yes, indeed. My first professional experience was with Neil Young on Everybody Knows This Is Nowhere album, singing and playing guitar. And then I was in LA, I grew up in LA. And then I moved to Boston and I started my band, Robin Lane and the Chartbusters, and we had the 11th video on MTV with our song, When Things Go Wrong. Usually people that have experienced trauma or have gone through domestic abuse or are in domestic abuse situations, usually there's been a history of childhood abuse. If things aren't resolved in your childhood, if you haven't come to an understanding of what happened to you and healed from it, then mental health issues occur, addictions. Last summer, I did a program with trafficked girls in Boston, not trafficked girls from Romania that were living in Boston, actual American girls that had been trafficked. It was a success story. The songs are remarkable. They're just heartfelt, beautiful. These girls had never sung before. Some of them sang. They felt like they were divas coming to the throne of the recording studio, which I set up for them. Songbird Sings needs money to teach the teachers how to do these programs so that I have more than just me doing them. All of these programs are free. People do not pay to come to these programs.